Anyway, still Naija FM 102.7. Are in position for live and direct. If you check your time right now, 34 minutes of base. Leave 8 a.m. already on top this very Friday, the 10th of November 2023. Still Naija FM 102.7. Still money runs. My name is Waterboy BMC R&B.
And my own name is Becca, please.
And today, this morning, we get heavyweight for the building. One thing I love about it's okay to call him man. He get a lot of accolade if he just continue to the hype right now. But I think to just summarize everything, we get the one and only, the evil genius for the building right now. And it's the one and only. Everything about and they easy. Coming to interview early is easy. You get me? Coming through, they deliver lifestyle doings.
It's easy.
Enjoying his money is easy. Making his money is easy. The one and only Mr. Easy in the building. Welcome, brother. I think the last time when he stopped by LED, no, last year. This same time last year, right?
Yeah.
Now you stop by.
Yeah.
You not till 1 year ago.
Yeah.
I think last year you reached here twice. The last time not because I did on leave. When you talk about your plans for dropping an album. Anyway, welcome.
Thank you.
Congratulations on your debut album.
Thank you.
Evil Genius.
Thank you.
I wait for that album to drop. I classify myself the first person to listen to not all the songs, but a couple of the songs when it did release middle of the night, and beautiful work. But I want to just ask, we'll start from here. Why it take you almost a lifetime to drop a debut album?
Yeah.
Why it be like that? What's happen?
Because I did take things serious. You feel me? So like when you call something album, I feel say album guys stay really personal. Like and it guys get concept. You guys get concept. Like if you see the way like Beyonce drop album, when she dropped that I Am Sasha Fierce, then she changed everything.
Narrative.
Do you understand? Changing narrative. Do you understand? Or you see like The Weeknd when he dropped album maybe not last year or 2 years ago, even start to do like say do surgery, they look like old man. In colors change, the way they dress change. So and for me, the music where I don't they make na vibes. Do you understand? I don't they make vibes music because I feel say music so put plenty bad things they happen for this world.
A lot.
So it's good to sing about things where they happen. That one good, but not be everybody. Do you understand? Suppose sing about matters where they happen, political matters where they happen, or real life matters. So they use my music, all the music where I dropped before, to just take relax people. Say things serious, so but for these 2 minutes, 30 seconds, 3 minutes where they listen to my music, just enjoy, just come on your mind, relax. But on this, so now waiting I don't use my music for, but on this album I can't go personal about myself. So nobody say I even start to make album. Now say I just did plenty things day my mind where I got talk. Do you understand? So I start to talk I'm on top instrumental. And the thing come over 2.5 years. So the thing come together in this piece. So that album no be just music where I just pack just even I'll say make I just pack single.
Now over a period of time when you pour out your heart.
Exactly. Now say I just put waiting day my mind during those times.
So with it also Evil Genius now a piece of you.
Yeah, and a very, very core piece of me over 2.5 years.
Okay, because I want to take you back a little bit. Because the last time we yarn last year, you tell us say as you make your return back to music, say you want give us Amapiano and Amapiano, and we see that one on top 1, 2, 3 single when released last year, and you will promise say you go give us Amapiano album. I remember I messaged you bros when this album one drop. So why the change of heart? Why you can't decide move this?
So what happened? We say the Evil Genius album complete first before I start to record all those Amapiano. So I don't complete the album. Actually, that first song, that Patek, I recorded Patek the day where I go South Africa, go shoot the video with Soweto Gospel Choir. So now as I go shoot that video, I've been done finish. It just be like say I've been done finish talk all my matter. Finish. My mind come free. I can't enter studio. I can't go record any money where I get. So if you see say they follow. But the thing be say I can't feel on a December time. I can't feel say man. Make we drop this thing as a day like this. So I can't drop Patek, See Something, Wesa. Then I go South Africa for 1 month. I collaborate with all the artists for there. I can't drop the Amapiano album where they ask. If you go online now, check Mzanzi Chronicles, you go see them. Now see I no drop them as Mr. Easy. I drop them as Chop Life Sound System because my second
with
group
DJ
with DJ Edu. So if you go Chop Life Sound System, you go see about 17 Amapiano songs. 17. I can't even go on tour.
with
this
chop
year
life sound system.
with chop life sound
yeah.
system. We say I know they perform. I did.
You only host DJ.
Yeah, I dey host. I just dey host 10,000 people, 5,000 people, 1,000 people, 500 people. Go my Instagram.
I know those things not free. Because they see the updates. Like it was free for everywhere.
No, no be free. Not paid. Baba, they pay.
Businessman.
They pay me proper money to host. Do you understand? I don't want to talk because if I talk now, FIRS, LIRS.
They go start to calculate your income.
Calculate my income. I know say that they listen to Naija FM, but they always listen to catch people. So so I dropped that one. After I dropped that one, I can say, okay, we don't drop the Amapiano. We don't go party with the Amapiano. Make we go back to original settings. Drop the album. And this album, we go there on this album till May 27. Now I go perform the last performance of this album, the whole song, May 27. Then we feel enter next chapter.
So, I want to ask you now, this advice waiting for this song, the EV Genius, among the album. Who offend you? Where you can't take personal? Because I don't need advice. Plenty people advise me. You know,
because
you travel that time, just enjoy yourself.
No, just normally, just every day. See, every day. I don't know why people they feel say they won't advise me. So, even go check Twitter. Just go check. Just go search Mr. Easy. Some people say, hey, this Mr. Easy. If I were me, then they like. I don't know. Maybe if you like say, if you like say, I look like person who need advice.
No, bro, you don't need advice.
Do you understand? So the thing just tire me. I say, Baba, I don't need advice. Only payment advice. That's the only advice where I need. Do you understand? Mr. Easy, why you never do this, Papa? If he reach you, reach. Oh yeah, Easy, you never do this one. Take this money, go do this. Easy, we know they see you for Lagos too much. Oh yeah, take this money.
May you come Lagos.
Do you understand? Only payment advice.
Now you
so that thing.
Now you should take a person out there.
Yeah, you see that second verse where I just wanna who say they don't know say Mr. Fabi.
I said my guy verse. What about chop time no friend?
Chop time no friend.
Now
I drop chop time no friend on my birthday.
Okay.
And if you see the first line where I talk for chop time no friend, I say, if I dey chop my woman, I know they look another man's face. Because every time again for Twitter, for Instagram,
they worry you.
If you reach me and my woman matter, they carry on for. So I say, chop time no friend.
No friend.
If I dey chop my woman, I know they look another man's
face.
So
maybe come to Panadol now. Who body pain they worry? Where you say maybe they use Panadol?
Because you take this in person. You're evil genius. The credit shows say you be evil person for the album. Sorry to say yes. You take everything personal.
No, I take a personal for Panadol. I say my mouth sweet, but you know me say I be liar. That is to say I get lamba. No, say sometimes if your mouth sweet, because my mouth sweet, I dey fit talk nice things. So you know me say I be liar. I say for the other room. You know say our former president he say for the other room.
For the other room, my wife belong there.
Do you understand? So I say for the other room, I get power to set your waist on fire.
So who they collect this lamba right? And one believe say na your woman.
Who else won't collect?
Then I will see the set on fire. I know the story. I just want to clear on now.
Make we dey clearly.
Also part of the album, I read so many. Easy, you know, say I respect you. Even before I know you personally, I don't be lover of your music way back. You get me. For inside the album, I read some things. Maybe I mean not they read well. I don't know. So I want to just tell you, say, how marriage life don't be since then.
We thank God.
Yeah.
Thank God.
So why you marry? You don't let people know. Easy.
Who tell you say I don't let people know?
But you promised us.
You promised to give me
invite.
And the announcer for radio, I know say nobody go, but I go. Only for me to hear say Easy don't marry. And the person who I call here for now, somebody we did close to you. No ask me name. I don't tell you. You get. I can't start to the watch. Today I go follow your wife. I can't say you go mistakenly post the wedding picture. May I see her? Because I know don't sit down, don't calculate things. You get me? I not see. Only say sometimes I go see you now. I go out travel, wear the same cloth. I'll say okay. I'll use that to look for your ring. Whether ring go day hand. I know see ring. I'll check her ring down.
Monetary spirit.
Since my guy don't give me info. Where I come make up my mind now when I see her for I think 3 days ago live video.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think on a day event of one of family members.
Yeah.
You know, wear the same.
Na birthday now.
Yeah, na grandma turned 90.
90, yeah. Did the way on dance, even his sister come. Yeah, the looky finger is okay. So how many years anniversary right now? You don't.
You know what I always I talk to say. Go, you get one song legalized.
Yeah.
For this album.
Now they forget it.
Now go watch that video.
Yeah.
Some people they watch. See everything where you want
inside your album.
Inside the album.
I know.
If you go online now, go watch legalized video. We shoot that video for Venice.
That was the wedding day.
Do you understand? We shoot them for I no confirm nor deny. Do you understand? But if you watch that video, you get things for inside that video we go confirm or deny.
I know, so not be costume be that.
Not be costume. Go watch that video. You go see everything they clear. You know, say artists, waiting artists they do. People where they paint, all these artists they paint
reflect their art.
Maybe say sometimes every time when you go look the painting, you go see something
part of the
different.
person
you
life.
Go see something different. You go see something different. So now, so this music day where every time you listen to the music, you go hear something different.
But I not go like just like I tell you earlier, listening to the album, I know it's a piece of you.
Yeah.
In fact, if not be everything, now almost Mr. Easy lifestyle. Now you can't give us on top this. But it's congratulations, more you live like congratulations. Hopefully, since I not come the way that come for anniversary or baby naming ceremony, one of them I must come.
At least naming ceremony.
I must come. One of them I must come in Jesus' name. Amen. I'm saying it live right now.
So for the next one, this album where we say you're doing like almost 16 tracks.
Yeah, 16 tracks.
16
tracks. So which one you could talk say it was way easier for you to make, and which one give you a little bit of challenge?
Okay, so the easiest song to make, the easiest song to make na Panadol. Actually, because Panadol na just vibe. We just did seaside for Wida. For Wida, Baba Wida na Kotonu. No,
na seaside. You say seaside.
Seaside dey Lagos na just here. Seaside dey here now. What they do you? Why you want me? Seaside no dey this place. If you just throw stone now for me, you fit just land for seaside. Now for you.
Agbero disturb me.
No, Agbero no dey.
There is difference.
Agbero no dey. So we just dey seaside. We just dey seaside and we just dey Ikeli dey there. So Ikeli type A. As I just hear that guitar with Favor Brown, a talented songwriter, I just my mouth is sweet, but you know me say I be liar. So that na my normal vibe. I feel make like 1,000 songs of that. Then the other song way easy. Now the first song, the intro, Oluwajo, because that one I just freestyle. Now where I been there, as soon as I just hear the guitar, I just say, tell my mommy say I go bear the cost. Tell Deborah enough is enough. My friends tell me I don't change because I know they pick their call. Some verse for me because I follow them.
Is there among people who verse for you? You know you better
for wedding, yes.
So all those ones easy, but I feel say the hardest song to make. I think one of the hardest songs to make will be say I go back and forth on now the song with Angelique Kidjo or Okoro.
Okay, why?
So because originally I hear the song for KLP Instagram Live, and as I hear the melody, as in they play, I just message and say, Baba, off this Instagram Live, I want this melody.
This particular. Right?
So next thing, that song, the original beat, it come. I know he don't know. Say he don't already send that same beat to Rema. So Rema come, I think say maybe na Peace of Mind or something. So I just did there where we say but me and KLP be never link. So next thing I still did on the beat. Still
don't the right something on top.
Do you understand? I don't call my guy show on a camera. We don't because something. I want to speak plenty Yoruba for this. So I bring them say, make we. On my next thing I just go online because I follow Rema. I just see not be this beat with this. I don't write a piece to KLP. KLP say, no worry now. No be me start this thing. No worry. We go. So we can't gas link for Ghana. Make some part of the thing for Ghana. We make the song.
That when remake the beat totally.
Yeah, we make the beat totally. Go Cotonou. Finish the thing for Cotonou. Can't send them to Angelique Kidjo. She send her own back. Correcting. That one now now the song will take You get at some point I won't just tired, just replace
the song before.
The song. But
the song
really
come outside last
now. We don't even shoot the video, but we never drop it because she just say, Easy, promise me, say you go shoot video.
Wow.
One day she just call me, she say, Easy, I'm in Paris. In the next 2 days, come and shoot your video. Baba, we just run, go Paris, go shoot that video.
Before I ask about, because this Evil Genius also shows another part of you, which is the art exhibition. Why I say you don't do. There is a reflection of. There is every art to every song. For the album. Right now, before we reach there, I want to just ask. This one when they move from one place to another, like saying now one day to do. You get private jet, right?
No, I don't get private jet.
So how the Wakati is from Paris to Cotonou to Ghana to Nigeria to here? Because certainly if you enter normal economy or business, people go to take picture with you, bros.
Yeah.
Or na senior man private jet you use?
No, Baba, na mix. Most times I dey use commercial flights.
Okay.
But it gets sometimes once I go just use private. Like if I dey go collect big money, we say the money big.
If you afford it,
if you subsidize the private jet. Like, if not, Baba,
not be say you don't get your own private jet.
No, I never.
But most of the senior man private jet they use.
No,
your father-in-law.
No, my father-in-law self no get private jet.
Okay, I also might clear that one. Yeah, okay, so move forward right now.
This guy not there like though I'm involved with the. Now for you.
So Mr. Easy, so why you combine music? I see a lot of artists. I can't say I've been. You don't paint. They can't realize say you they collaborate with all these they are called artists, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Artists,
so where the idea take come from?
No, so the place I've been, they record the album for Cotonou. Arts just there around.
Yeah.
So waiting, I realized, we say as artists, we be product of our environment. So sometimes I dey see conversations where we say people go talk say, oh, this artist no they conscious because this artist they sing about this. Maybe artists they sing about something where they happen for a community.
Yeah.
But we realize say artists we be like sponge. You see, when you put sponge around water, it goes soak in.
It goes suck the water.
All the water. So, like for me, as I dey record an art there around me, I don't even know, say, I don't dey appreciate art.
Those arts.
Do you understand? Until one day I just come from New York, enter Cotonou. So as I enter, I just say make I go chop. I dey go the restaurant for the hotel.
Yeah.
I just see one piece of art we just dey by my right. Another artist we paint for legalized. And I just stop. As I see the art, I just stop. Wow, this thing dey very vivid. Me, I be one of those guys where we say, normally if I see people they go art exhibition,
you dey wonder wetin dey happen.
Say, now for this.
Why did they spend this kind of money for art?
Do you understand? I dey even wonder say now for this, wetin they see for this art. But I can't shock say me myself where they normally laugh that kind of thing. Yeah. I just dey attracted. So I can't realize say the waiting attract me to the art. We say I realize say because of how personal this album dey
to you.
Another way to really bring out the true emotion and true art. Because whether the music artist or the visual artist, we all be artists. So in a very good way to bring out the true emotions of the album. And now why for this album I no do listening party.
Na art exhibition.
Art exhibition. Where if you go the art exhibition, you go put headphone for your head. You go hear the song.
They listen to they
art,
watch the
very
art,
personal. And people, if you get people with they look at, you get people they won't even cry when they look at it. I say no sure.
Okay. So I like to know that those artwork right now, they're up for sale the same way the people feel get the music.
Not yet. So for now, you don't go exhibition for Ghana.
Yeah.
You don't go exhibition for London.
Yeah.
You come Naija in December.
Okay.
And you go New York. You go Dubai. You go Marrakesh for Morocco.
Wow.
Then after I finish these 6 places.
All this in this year?
No, next year. Now
next year. Now, okay, till May.
Yeah, even this album we drop and we don't even say this not the single yet. We just drop.
Enjoy.
Take a mean. Okay, then we say okay, make we push this one. So now process.
Okay.
Do you understand? So from May 27, we'll come say okay, this already people don't they ask say I won't buy this one. I won't buy this one.
You get one where it be like woman when you do like this. I think I like that one. Like how much will be the price now?
I don't know, but people don't beat.
I want beg and make me.
I think sometime in 2020, Mr. Easy, you mentioned say you go see one of your friends, Joseph.
Joseph Ewadako.
Where you say you get one museum for inside Accra.
Yeah,
so
get museum.
I want to ask now, that thing assist where you both of now.
Yeah.
In pieces to there among these hearts.
No, so that's very funny. In pieces, no day part of this. Because the way this thing been there, be say I go just see artist painting. I go just know. say na this artist go paint this song. It just dey like something divine. So e get artists wey be my friend, wey I know, wey we dey talk, wey no dey part of this process because my mind no tell me say
he na the right person
paint this one.
Okay.
Do you understand? So it wasn't say we just say, oh, my friend come paint this, oh, you come paint this. Now say I go just see artists on Instagram, or I go just see artists on, maybe I go art exhibition, I go see artists, or person go just send me, I go just look one piece, and sometimes it go come be the way, I don't even know where the artist come from. I'll just say, who paints this thing? They'll say, oh, now this person. I say, this person go fit paint track 7.
So I want to know how the creative process it be. Like you know artist on your own when it comes to music.
Yeah.
Then artist when it comes to painting and the rest. Yeah. So how you take they let them know say this and this now what I want to be, you just tell them make they listen to the music, then they'll paint with it.
So what me happen say I go see the artist work. Okay. We'll come reach out to the artist. We'll come send the music with the lyrics. Yeah.
Okay.
They'll come listen to them. They go sign NDA.
Not disclosure.
So maybe they don't go leak the song.
Okay.
So they go listen to and when they listen to and we'll come sit down. We'll come do Zoom.
Okay.
Then they go tell me waiting
that
they inspire from the music. Waiting the music tell them. Okay. If you rhyme with waiting they my head, then we move forward. Ahead. If you know rhyme, okay, thank you very much. Yeah. But all of them he rhyme. With waiting day.
So how many artists you work with now for this system start?
13.
So that means one person certainly do like 2 or 3.
Yeah, so you get like 2 we do.
So this like I just they try check now this project. So this man so how expensive it be to commission all this project?
I tell my team say may nobody even yesterday. This guy my assistant they asked me say please what was the price of this? I say why?
You don't want to disclose that.
You say your team is asking for it. I say why then they ask for it? Say because they want to do budget. I say why they want to do budget? You say they want to know how much we spend on this project. Now I say okay, tell them, but no tell me. Because the beauty of this thing is say say a lot of art in all these art where they see for Italy, for all these places, it been get patrons of the art wey been they drop the money so that the artists go just they free to create. Because waiting they hinder creativity for artists. Now say you guys pay bills. So person go come they paint or they make everybody. Sometimes you can't they forced to make a particular kind of music because Baba, if you don't make this kind of music, you don't go enter club, you don't go chop. So sometimes you go limit your creativity. So in the olden days, you get patrons of the arts we go just say, oh, Leonardo da Vinci, take this money, they live for this house, just come they paint. Now why Leonardo da Vinci they paint? Or if you go Italy, you go see Sistine Chapel, you go see all this painting.
You do a lot of painting because they
Baba na person we done things we feel inspire creativity. Number 1, hunger. Number 2, make your mind they at rest to make you feel. And for abroad, they get government, they give money to artists. They call them artist grants. So artists go fit create. So for
even
this
scientists
one,
too.
Even scientists, even science.
Science, they do that.
You get what you do.
So you they try tell us now say now what you do. So you empower these guys to fit deliver your
exactly because I feel say the best way to support artists now to pay. If I say I want to support your comedy, no be by say hey, I support you, I support you.
Now money
be blessed. Baba after blessing and I support you. Baba I just give you the salaries so that you go feed do them. So
this one you go support me in Jesus' name.
Amen. Normally, so everybody will be part of this project. No be pro bono. Now payment for everybody, contract for everybody.
Is it a payoff or payment? Say they alright, deliver this work. Then at the time they go, whatever comes from this art, you go get so percentage.
So it depends. Like for all the music, for most of the music, all the producers they get their publishing inside. They get publishing royalties. Yeah, some get up to 50% of the publishing royalties. Where some get like 3 to 5% of the music royalties where they come out. But for the art, I commission everything to buy the rights for everything, 360.
Businessman.
Everything. Do you understand? Because the use of the art fee they change.
As time they go. So now not fee they call it
to be able to just make them very straight. So for some, I pay like 2 times the normal price.
Wow.
I don't even argue.
Just to motivate.
Just to make sure say okay,
everything
you know
clear.
What, this is
you not put your mind later on.
No, do you understand? Because tomorrow if you say okay, this art now, by this collaboration, see as the art they travel across the world. Now big budget to they move all the art across the world. They do that. The London exhibition costs, I don't want to talk on radio, but it costs me, I feel build house with the money where I used to do the art.
So the exhibition now, you say that certainly is being paid for.
It's being paid for.
So
bro.
You didn't make the return back. I don't see you a good businessman. I don't see a lot of your from music to sports to tech to I think you do one Empower a few days ago.
Yeah, publishing masterclass.
Recently.
So the thing be say anything pay off? Me I dey feel say anything we bring value will pay eventually.
Okay.
Do you understand? So after some time, as long as it's and it already they show, because everybody where they come the exhibitions they say, wow, this is, by the way, this is not the first time in history for African music and African art to be presented in this form. And to do exhibitions like Fowls don't do something with Lemmy. You know, Fela been they work with Lemmy for in covers, but to have African art and African music as part of one album and touring together, this not the first. It never happened for history before. This not the first of its kind. This not something where we say they go to teach for art school. Say in 2000, which year we did? 2023. Mr. Easy collaborated with this artist. Blah 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 blah. Where people go they learn from. So after some time, of course, there's value there. Value there. So no they surprise where we say if you just hear say. This art now, this museum buy this artwork for this. If you hear that kind of thing, just know say, okay, well, now
so last all this investment right now will certainly pay up eventually.
By God's grace.
I love that. So sharply right now, a beautiful album, idea everywhere available right now. Go stream Evil Genius by Mr. Easy. Now debut album be this. After I think the last body of work when now mixtape I be the IP. It was more like a mixtape.
2018. Accra to Lagos to London.
Then Accra to
Lagos.
Lagos, that's the first one.
Accra to Lagos, then Lagos to London. Then in between, I just dropped like packs, like 5 songs, and then singles, and then the Amapiano
Mr. Easy.
And this one.
So you get one particular person where a lot of people where they in the entertainment industry respect, Oga Polo, and you get something where we say he put for him page where even Dotun, that OAP of another station too, you know, talk 1 or 2 things based on the amount where they talk say artist. Now, especially in a list them say now they charge say of course I know they charge in naira, dollars, pounds or whatever euro we be saying
they charge in any currency, even Sefa. If you bring Sefa, go collect.
So
every currency.
Because of that, right now, all of us know what it is. In fact, different country, all the whole world they pass through when it comes to economy. And the fact say people know if you afford this ticket, they all cancel Afro Nation, and I believe that because tickets say not green move and some other arrangement. You get the same thing. I see some shows where they move forward for even London because the economy not differently. People cannot afford tickets. So I want to ask now, as an artist, we are not supposed to get different price
for different country like depending
UK
on their economy.
Now Nigeria you come from. If you want to do show for Nigeria and Ghana, it's not supposed to be the same money when I charge for outside.
So tell promoters now, they say they don't run come out from a list.
Say that DJ they want to come to perform on that song.
But you see, say that's the beauty. For me, if I hear this kind of thing, I dey happy self.
Why?
Because before, if you want to do show, all the show you must see the same people. Back in the day, if you see P Squared, the band, Two-Face,
those legends there, more.
Now only these 3 artists you go see for all the shows. Because back in the day, if this artist no day, nothing
go happen.
And that means say these artists were carrying the entire industry. But right now, no single person fit talk say in they carry the Nigerian music industry.
Beautiful.
Because guess what? Like you say, promoter fee book DJ. There's this tallest DJ where they do even in the day 6-7 DJ 6-7. J6-7 they do events. Just only they play for the 5,000 people. They
go there.
That they show you where the entertainment industry don't go right now. Say DJ alone fit sell out show where people go turn up, people go have fun. So that means more careers for DJs. So right now, if your son or your daughter say you get one girl, Dope Caesar,
Yeah.
You understand? I dey try book camp for my Accra festival. My whole Accra festival self na DJs. No artists on the bill. Last year, no artists on the bill. 10,000 people. Almost 11,000 people. Zero artists on the bill.
So you dey do the same thing this year too?
I dey do the same thing this year. So it dey show you say the industry and more employment for people. So right now, you fit book DJs. You fit book hype men. Before people know this, people say they disrespect hype men, but you don't know say DJ Khaled na hype man.
Na hype man, yeah.
I don't watch DJ. Yes, I don't watch DJ Khaled. He don't even play any. He just come another one.
Yeah.
They don't believe in us. Another one where people just demand.
Last, you try to say you don't see anything wrong.
I don't see anything wrong in that because
when they deny us on concert for this December.
I feel say the pyramid.
Yeah,
you guys think them as the entertainment pyramid. More people they day inside. So you as see small doctor.
But does it make sense to charge $500K for US and charge the same $500K for Nigeria?
Waiting at the field, we say the performance na performance. I know if he tell you say make you is left for your own discretion to do deduction, and I don't want believe say.
But can the promoter make such money in Nigeria?
I don't want believe say guys know they deduct. I believe say most guys they deduct, they give different fee because, like for instance, me they give different fee when I come Nigeria. Do you understand? So I believe say most guys they give different fee, but guess what? If tomorrow they book you, they say, my guy, they won't pay you 10 million naira for Lagos, make you do show. They say they won't pay you 100 million naira for Uganda, make you do show. Same day. What you go do?
I'll go Uganda.
Now Uganda you go.
Okay, so case closed. Thank you very much.
Okay, but also the production of the show sometimes they're always different. The money the artists spend in producing shows in US, they different from the money when they spend
and Uganda they go still fly.
We can take anything most time.
You see, that's why I'm saying me waiting my summary of this thing be say make we support more and more emerging artists because waiting go happen be say
this
very soon, just like look America, you fit get artists for America way big for New York where they don't even know
for
neighboring
LA.
LA even far, they don't even know for Philly. For Philadelphia, we say for Boston, where
so
you
go be regional artists.
Regional, do you understand? In the future, artists go they make 1 billion naira from just being inside Nigeria.
Lagos or inside,
just being inside Nigeria. Artists go just the tour east, just they collecting 1 billion a year. Plenty, they go plenty. Now so the industry is supposed to be. How you go fit talk say Nigeria get over 200 million people? They supposed to be 1 million artists. We see they collect over 5 million and above 1 million. Now so it go day. So and this thing no go happen except the pyramid they go high. So right now you know say okay, I know if you book A, B, C artists, but I go fit book D, E artists. So now for your radio station, if you know say you get show for December and you want book this C list artists, you come radio station say I beg Naija FM, make una they play this artist. So I won't pay for adverts because I get show. So anytime you they announce my show, now this artist song so now people go they listen to this by December.
This business advice be this.
Yes, sir.
By business advice be this.
If Naija FM no see they won't do show next year December, they suppose they feel just spotlight F list artists. This
push out
F list artists. Spotlight 10
of them.
Can't give these people push. You even start program. Say this artist, if you join this program for December, you will do this show. You book all these F list artists. You can't book 2 C list artists. We go headline. Now, by the time you push this F list artists and plenty F list artists, they're good.
They're good.
By the time you push them from now till July next year, now them go come be the new C or B list. Maybe one self fee enter B.
Yes.
The other ones go they see where we say and they go even get more songs because as the upcoming artists,
people
upcoming artists they release more songs
than already made
A-list because already made your budget's high. You go first thing you want to promote your Baba F. Where we say you never reach D list, you go drop song. You get F list artists where they drop 4 albums a year. So now the beauty of this thing say as our artists as our A list they get expensive,
we need to
look to the B list. And when you come shock, we say next thing you can't see the A list artists themselves. Now you go to contact you say I want to do something for my people. I want to do something for my people. I want to do free stadium show for my people, that my people
because I don't see say man nobody get their time
again.
Really.
Yeah, attention don't they
Shatta Wale for Ghana, you see say Baba nobody fit paying fee for December.
He do like last year.
And December he gas do
people got remember.
Boy, Shatta Wale start to the last year December. He tell me for my show he come for free. But in the charge $250K per show. But he go do free stadium show. I perform for free stadium show. The whole stadium full, like 50,000 people. I think now waiting go come they happen.
I think this advice now waiting the show promoters who they complain right now need to adhere to, because if they complain enough here for this guy, why don't you try and build the other guy so that maybe you feel
come on man, that's the beauty
idea
of the industry.
Okay, so this is your album right now. Will fit classify under Afrobeat?
That's a good question. I don't think so. If you classify them,
so how you see the
it be
world music,
global music. Make us speak for their global music.
So because right now we know how the attention they are around just Afrobeat genre. Can't be like say Nigeria artists not they do all that genre, but guess what? We they do different genres. So everybody now they try one shift enter the Afrobeat because I get the recognition outside. So you feel say that they good to every other artist, because like you now, as not the part of Afrobeat, you will get nomination for Afrobeat category if they nominate.
See, say first of all the people where they call something Afrobeat. I know because sometimes they wonder say, okay now, high life now Afrobeat.
No.
Okay, but some song be high life. Okay, that's why I say it be like 2 songs on my album na high life.
Okay.
So what you want? That's not Afrobeat. But you go see the top of you go say, okay, this is Afrobeat category. Is Amapiano Afrobeat?
No.
Is Yahoo Piano Afrobeat?
No.
Is Emo Piano Afrobeat?
Afrofusion is not.
Even
Afrobeat.
Juju music, Fuji music, everything different. So waiting the music be na global music made in Africa, inspired by Africa. There's a song there called Good Loving, na reggae mixed with African drums. Do you understand? So this is not an Afrobeat album. This is a global album.
So waiting will feel do that, because I feel we they try boss ourselves for one particular genre instead of us to let the world know. Say come on, not be only Afrobeat day, other arrangement day. So what do we do to make that?
So what do we do now? Say every artist, guys, they making thing, they define waiting. If you can make your thing define waiting. Be like when I come, I say I they make Banku music. You understand? So right now, this album is global Banku music. And if now why I know the vex. If tomorrow when a person do award at the end of this year, say best Afrobeat album, where they no put my album for inside, I will say I know vex because na Banku. So myself I fit do my own award. Just call all my guys, all of them go sit down. We go sit down, we go chop. No, all of us December I fit just organize something. Everybody go come, we go sit down, we go dress. We go dress out and we wear suit and tie. And the best album of Banku music is Mr. Easy. All of una go stand up.
Award.
Yes, and then me I go come stay. I go come nominee, and the nominees are Mr. Easy, Mr. Easy, Mr. Easy, Mr. I go come Mr. Easy. I'll come. I'll come say wow. I say wow.
But bro, you are petty. I know what you did.
I'll say Una really tried. It was a tough competition, but thank you so much for voting. I really appreciate. I dedicate this award to my mom, my dad, the industry, Zagadad.
So in all totality right now, award.
Yeah,
more not talk about that. I know what you mean by that particular arrangement.
All right, before you go, because those sit down, they say
you got to go the next station.
So I think they get one call out where we say na call out on top one particular label where na talk say they still one song.
Oh yeah, long time ago.
So how that conflict be now?
We thank God it's been 50% settled, because now when you look when you go that song. If you check, you will see Joe Boy name. You go see Dera name. Dera na the producer. Now you go see their name done day as credited. The next level where we they do now na the waiting. The Ballary, do you understand? To make sure say and no be fee to make sure say they get their share of royalty. And the other guys they don't they very responsive. Even this week I don't see their letter. Everything is moving smoothly. I should say by the end of the year everything will be
sort. Okay, just to wrap up right now, everybody go listen to Evil Genius right now. Go stream that song. It is available on top of DSP. I know say you don't focus more on publishing right now, but half artists when you go unveil new artists, Mr. It's been a while. The last time I wondered that Joe Boy, you have this guy also come up.
We do Joe Boy, we do Fave,
yeah.
We do
Tegastar,
then
Means,
Major League DJs, Means, Nandi from Tanzania, even King Promise, King Promise from now we first signed King Promise with him. We signed deal with the label. Yeah, go check in first album. You go see Legacy Life Entertainment under exclusive license to Empower Africa.
Okay.
You feel me? So
but when you go discover,
you get artists way there on development right now. And they make sure they get 3 now. There's Dillian. Where they Kwara State, they make music right now. Yeah, there is Dumo, where they in Naija, don't make like 52 songs. I say you never ready. In they cry. Say I don't make. How far you? I say you never ready. You guys make like 100.
Okay, that's 2. The third
one. So we have Dillian, we have Karen, a girl.
Now Nigeria too.
Yeah, Nigeria too.
So these guys now, when would they hope to see them? When you want to
when they don't record 100 songs, way sweet. Then we'll come say okay what next? Yeah. So no rush. Baba, no rush. Our lifetime.
You and Joe Boy still get existing.
Joe Boy contract still there. We still there with Joe Boy. Joe Boy don't start his own P because he don't start his own P, but instead they go through Empower till they deliver. Because we just did like bank. We did like bank. We did like bank where they give you extra services. You understand? So now we Empower be.
Now so which message you want to make people take from this Evil Genius album?
Especially to fellow married men, husbands.
Which is the last message from them?
You know, say how far you advise before you marry. So what about other people advice now when you don't marry?
I know they give married advice. I always see that you say the only person I could take advice from that Mr. Easy.
Because nobody like to run that, bro.
But the summary of the project now say make we all stop today look for outside gratification from people, whether na praise or whether na criticism, na people opinion. But sometimes we dey obsessed with waiting person talk. Like if person for outside say you are a good husband, then you go happy. If person outside say you are a bad husband, then but the truth we say we guys ask ourselves, am I good or am I bad? And at the spirit of the Evil Genius be that where we say I take the worst thing where I hear about myself, say this easy guy and an evil genius, accept that. You know if shame, you know if naked person we don't naked already. So if I don't talk say I bad already,
you not get
that one know you. Whether you talk say I good or I bad, I guess everybody gas now look inward and say, who am I? That's the message of this album.
Thank you very much, Mr. Easy, the Evil Genius. If they are right now, go stream that album. Hopefully, we'll hear more success. And your art exhibition when they come up.
December.
December. Any dates don't they now?
Say again.
Any dates don't they confirm yet?
You don't they, but we confirm the venue, so we will let you.
You go let us know. Sure. Thank you very, very, very much.
Thank you very much for having me. Always a pleasure. Goodbye. Zagadat. My mouth is sweet, but it don't mean say I be